Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall skilla. Yeah, well, go on, my people. Me there again, you know. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone alright. Hear me, people. So, I'm just going to talk about a certain type of situation. So, me I say, so, my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police officers went at a location and the police said some words to a person, and the person also said some words to police. The situation escalated to a point where the person was asking police for badge number, and at least one of those law enforcers behaved a certain way towards the person. I did not get any confirmed information to determine where the video had been recorded. The person also said some words in the video that gave me the understanding that the person said to police that this is private property, and some words have been said to people. Overall, I would like you to look and listen to this video. Tell me what you think about a situation like this. You can tell me who you think might be in the right and who you think might be in the wrong when it comes down to this type of situation. And believe me, based on how the situation look, I made an assumption within myself, but you can let me know what you think. Anyways, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
To the public road. Hey, come in the come off the property. Come on. Come off the property. This is private property. Come off. 5,065 square foot. What's your badge number? What is your badge number? Nothing all you can do. All you have to go. What? Get your warrant. Go and get your warrant, you. I ain't going to waste time. Hey boy, all you on private property. Right time you come at an officer. What? You walk in and take something there, and you'll see if it's not private property or not. You walk in here, you're on private property, I'm telling you again. Let me what? Charge me for what? Let me hear. What is the reason you will charge me for? Comment of what? What is the commitment would I make?
No wonder, you know?
What I am.
Do not come here for the camera, please.
Grab my phone.
Do not come here for the camera.
Grab my phone.
Do not come here.
Grab my phone. Hey!
Do not come here.
Officers, grab it right.
The
police! This officer tried to thief my phone. All the guy badge number for me. This officer grabbed my phone on private property which belongs to Anthony Charles. All you know the property for? All you only gonna get? All you can't do nothing. What are you doing? All you cannot do nothing. This property belongs to my dead father.
Look,
Anthony Charles.
Look.
Get out of
the situation. Tell me what you think.
Tall man, your badge number was not on here when you tried to grab my phone on private property. You tried to thief my phone on private property, telling me to come on. But you don't know our rights to record. My right is to record. All you. You're playing bad man. I see a boxer youth man already. Come and box me. Don't break on. Come. You there alive for boxing a youth man. Come on, box me now. Let me slap out some senses in your head. You don't have no badge, eh? He don't have no badge. Why is the badge number? Why is the badge number? He don't have no badge number, no.
Person said certain words and
what's your badge
law
number?
enforcers.
Joanne? That's a girl name.
You know?
Go and get a warrant. Come, hurry up. Hurry up and get a warrant. Hurry. Hurry and get your warrant. Remember the warrant going on Anthony. Come on. You want to spell Anthony? I was only giving permission to search because I know I'm nothing. But if all you want to be on social media so bad, I come to put all you on social media.
Well, I know people, man.
I have somebody washing clothes for my son. I have somebody cleaning my house. Excuse me, you're on private property here, sir. Excuse me, sir, you're on private property here. Your foot is on private property. Excuse me, sir, Your foot is on private property. Private property. Your foot is standing. Commit of what? And you're standing on private property. You have a warrant? Do you have a warrant? Anyone only have a warrant here to be on private property?
The people.
Look how much cherry tree you plant. This cherry tree belongs to me. I planted this in 2019 when I came back to Grenada. But you're on private property, I'm telling you. I don't have to move here. My lawyer will talk to all here. Not you alone. The commissioner of police. We're getting soon all here. Harassment again by GPF.
So overall, my people, tell me what you think about the situation there. You see, I saw other pieces of videos about the same situation still now. One of those videos, me see where persons was inside of a structure or a place, and you know, another video shows certain things as well. But anyways, my people, let me read some words from some comments that were made on social media where this video had been posted for subscribers. So I say, just to give you some form of understanding as to what some persons might think about this type of situation. So, one comment from someone said, not the officer trying to thief his phone. Another comment from someone said, they need more training. Here you have an aggressive individual and one officer got his back turned away. This is not, I think that, well, me say SAFTEY. Anyways, so another comment from someone said, and let me make it very clear, my people, I'm only reading from some comments that I saw. I'm not able to confirm if any words said in any of these comments are accurate pertaining to the situation and so on. So another comment from someone said, them officer in Grenada, slim and nice though. None of them ain't GAH big belly. Alright, so another comment from someone said, man put all three of them in timeout. Another comment from someone said, I ain't gonna lie, police in Grenada are really nice. In Trinidad, they done beat up that old man long time. Another comment from someone said, alright, let me skip that one there and read the other comment. This other comment said, DAZZ, how the badness does go. I'm see some emojis there. So more comments from the people. So I said, so what do you think about the situation then? What do you think about that situation? Let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now I'm going to present to you an edited video that shows some things that happened when two persons were fighting with each other while they were inside of a building or they was at a place. And based on information that I got, it is said that those persons were involved in a struggle or a fight at a place that some people might call Royal Castle. So my people, I got the understanding that there was some type of disagreement between two persons who you can see in what I call the edited video viewing subscribers, and somehow them started to fight with each other or they got in some form of a struggle. I mean, those persons basically hit each other, and I'm talking about this situation and what I call the edited video because of certain reasons. One of those reasons is because the edited video shows at least one person doing whatsoever that person could to try and stop those two persons from fighting with each other any more than they already have. You see me? And another reason why I'm talking about the situation or the edited video is because the edited video shows a certain amount of persons basically looking while certain things were happening. And I'm saying to myself that when it comes down to a situation like that where persons are fighting, I think that there are persons who would try to get out of the way and or even call the police. See? But anyways, I did not get any confirmed information to determine where the edited video had been recorded. I want to look at this whole situation that I can see in the edited video. Let me know what you think. And please bear in mind that this edited video shows a fight between two persons. So before I present this edited video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this edited video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this edited video. Observe with me.
Jump on. Hey, what going on? Sorry.
That's it, don't be right next to them people. That's it. It's the person that tried to stop certain things. Set a way. The person that didn't niggle the star. I tried. The person that tried to stop them. To the best way I can. You know? See, can I see those persons this way? See? Based on what me say in what I call as some type of an edited video that have been brought to my attention, it makes me wonder if there are certain amount of persons out there who are so desensitized to certain type of things that a situation like this don't even bring certain alert to them also. It makes me wonder. I'm not saying, you know, it makes me wonder. But when you think about the situation, the dumb people, they look away. You see me I say? And I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. And until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla.